Join me as I challenge myself to incorporate chia seeds into my life for a whole week and see if they really can change my life overnight. So you might have heard about chia seeds being a superfood, but what does that even mean? Essentially, chia seeds are tiny little powerhouses packed with nutrients that can transform your health and wellness in just one night. Sounds too good to be true, right? We've all been there, feeling sluggish and tired all the time, struggling to lose weight, or dealing with digestive issues. These health challenges can really take a toll on our daily lives. I mean, who hasn't felt like they're stuck in a rut, unable to shake off that extra weight or get through the day without a nap? It's like our bodies are working against us, not with us. And let's not forget about the impact it has on our mental health. Feeling low, anxious, or just plain exhausted. These issues can stem from a variety of factors, including our diet, lifestyle, and genetics. Sometimes it feels like we're doing everything right, eating well, exercising regularly, but still, we're not seeing the results we want. It's frustrating, to say the least. We start to feel like we're losing control over our own bodies. The good news is that there are solutions out there that can help, and that's where chia seeds come in. I'm not saying they're a magic bullet, but they do have some pretty impressive credentials. Let's take a closer look at what makes them so special. Chia seeds are rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and protein, making them a nutritional powerhouse. The high fiber content helps with digestion and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. Omega-3s are amazing for heart health and brain function. And let's not forget about the protein. It's essential for building and repairing muscles. When you combine all these nutrients, you get a food that can genuinely support your overall health. But don't just take my word for it. I've heard some incredible stories from people who've incorporated chia seeds into their diet. Like my friend who was struggling with low energy levels. After adding chia seeds to her morning routine, she noticed a significant boost in her energy. She started by adding chia seeds to her smoothies and oatmeal. Within a week, she felt like a different person, more energetic, focused, and motivated. Of course, everyone's experience is different, but it's clear that chia seeds have had a profound impact on her life. The best part is that chia seeds are easy to incorporate into your daily routine. You can add them to your breakfast, use them as a topping for your favorite dishes, or even make a chia seed pudding. The possibilities are endless. Incorporating chia seeds into your daily routine can lead to some amazing benefits: increased energy, better digestion, and even weight management. So what can you expect by adding chia seeds to your diet? A boost in energy, a happier gut, and a renewed sense of vitality. If you've had any experiences with chia seeds, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're interested in more health tips and recipes, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.